time, kitty. Hi, you know what I did today? Gary had to get some stuff at Home Depot. Actually, one of them was for me. I wanted something. So I went along for the trip. I'm home now. I'm on my deck with some of the flowers I bought from Home Depot on the last trip I had made. But today I did a stroll all through the garden department for you. So you can walk through, see what they've got here in Southern California, pretty much in winter. And I thought you might enjoy that. There'll be times that you'll hear me narrating. I might sound a little muffled because we're supposed to wear masks when we go to the store. And there's times it got so noisy that what I ended up doing, like it's noisy here, I ended up kind of, I'm going to talk over it so you'll know what was going on. So let's go have fun, and I want you to see what I saw at Home Depot today. I didn't buy anything. Well, not any flowers today. I've got a hummingbird here. But what I did do was take you through so we can see what's here in Southern California. So I came to Home Depot today. We're going to go to the garden department. Let's go run down there and take a look. Hey everybody, it's Robbie from Southern California. Today I am going to Home Depot and I'm going to just look around for fun. I'm not going to buy any plants today. I'm going to wait until spring. But let's look and see what they've got as far as discounts. 50% off. I don't see a whole lot here. Nah, some succulents, jade plants. I don't need that. Nothing here. I think the fun thing would be is let's go inside. Whoa, inside. Look at the plants. This is just the front. It's cross. Let's kind of zip around the front and then we'll just leisurely walk around. You can come with me and we'll walk around and look and see what they've got inside. Look at all this. And we're not even inside yet. We've got some fruit trees here. We've got figs. A lot of these are going to go dormant. These are all, they're going to go dormant for, this is peach, for the winter. I don't think they're half price. They just stuck them out here because they don't look pretty. They want the nice stuff inside or closer to the door. Look at all this. So let's kind of walk around inside. Come with me on a nice leisurely stroll in the garden center at Home Depot. And we'll see what they've got to offer in winter. And don't forget to look up. See who's hiding in here. So let's kind of walk around. Let's go inside and see what they have in there because there's a lot of beautiful flowers and plants on the outside. And I thought it'd be fun to walk around because I know so many of you are under snow. Wow, here they have a lot of succulents. Now that you can put in a greenhouse for the winter if you wanted to, or put it outside, especially here in Southern California. If you're not really in a lot of snow, you can plant succulents all the time. And some of them are used for house plants in the windows. Are they beautiful? There are so many different types. I just like doing the stroll through. And I thought it might be fun to share since so many of you have, snow right now and you're freezing. And here in Southern California, though we're a little cold, 50, 60 degrees, we still are planting some people. Though today I'm just doing mainly window shopping on the inside with you. Look at all the flowers. Wow. So here I'll just kind of narrate what I saw because there was so much noise and banging and stuff. Here's a lot of their vegetable plants they have, which was kind of surprising to me. Red peppers for $19.98. I mean, if you've got a greenhouse, I guess. I don't know how it's going to grow when we start getting into 40 and some of the places go into 30 and even upper 20s. There's a lot of herbs. You can grow a lot of different herbs. And yeah, there's a lot of type of brassicas, cabbages and all that. I just don't know if they'd make it, but they're kind of pricey. But if you've got an area you could do it, you could. I mean, I think I'm more amazed at the amount of plants that they had. amount of vegetable plants, including tomatoes and stuff. I mean, all that. Generally here we wait, get through the holiday season, see how our winter is, and then start going for it. They have lettuce and different things. There's a hybrid. Look at that. It's some sort of cabbage plant hybrid, but there was a lot. They seem to have more now than sometimes they have even in the spring when I'm looking. Maybe because people aren't buying, they have so many, but they really do have a lot of plants. And again, if you got a greenhouse, you can plant a lot of this stuff. Look at that, peppers. Generally, they need a warmer area, peppers. I mean, you could probably protect them a little bit with maybe some plastic or something around them, as long as they get over 6 hours of daylight. Rosemary, and that's lettuce. They had lettuce. Look at all the plants. I mean, that's a lot of plants for being winter. Look at all that. I thought I'd just walk through with you. They even have, look at the eggplant. I mean, I do have eggplant growing right now, but mine are established in totes. And that's why, they're doing quite well, because they're already established. These have to set a root system up. So if you put them in a tote, I don't know, but over 6 hours of daylight. But, like I said, you got a greenhouse, I guess you can do it. Now here, this is the front of the store, and they had a lot of different flowers. I mean, I'm amazed at the amount of flowers. Isn't that beautiful? Decorated for Christmas. That's why they're red and white. And as far as flowers, there's flowers as far as you can see. Look at this. I don't know how long pansies will go for. Again, you're going to have to watch where you put any of this stuff. Let's take a walk and see what's here. This is beautiful. A potato vine. Look at all this. See, a lot of this stuff I actually would wait and buy in the spring, because I don't know. I don't know what's going to grow and what's not going to grow. $15 for the baskets. I can't afford all that. It's beautiful. Now I have bought those, and they're on the deck. And they're doing really, really well. So I am impressed with that. Oh, there's a hummingbird one. That's the hummingbird lunch. I bought that one, and they got quite a few, and they're still holding their flowers, so are mine. That's beautiful. Look at this. This is pretty. I like this. Let's see what this is. Salvia. Oh, these are pretty. $10. I think I'll probably go crazy in the spring. Look at that, beautiful. And then, of course, you've got honeysuckle, the hummingbirds will love. That is so pretty. Oh, they've cleaned up a lot. A lot of it's cleaned up. Let's look over here. Oh, I think I see discount. No, I see. That's not discount. That's dragon fruit. This looks like papaya. It is. Let me see if this is papaya. I don't know what it is. Oh, it is papaya. There it is, papaya. And I grow so many of them, I can't get rid of them. Okay, these are fruit trees. And these are more, there's that potato lying here. Look how beautiful the flowers are. If you like white flowers, they are gorgeous. They've got a lot for winter. We're almost in winter. They have a lot of geraniums. Hummingbirds go to them, but I think they get more insects than anything. And then they've got a lot of decorative cabbage. Don't see a label on that. It's probably on the back. Look at all the pansies. The leaf on that is beautiful. Look how gorgeous this display is. And that one with the red. If you're interested, it's down here. I think this is an azalea. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. These are gorgeous. Hummingbirds absolutely love this. Here they are. And they come in so many different colors. Can't beat that. Look at that. Look at the flower there. It doesn't even look real. Okay, let's see, more salvias there. And then here's snapdragons. All the beautiful, there are more pansies here. Let's see if we missed it. Don't forget to look up. Oh. Okay, we didn't go down the side. Let's go look over there. Oh, something knocked the flower over. Let's just pick it up. Put it back where it belongs. There's that. And people are knocking flowers over and they're not picking them up. See, another one of those potatoes. They're all over the place. And this is more ground cover. So if you're in Southern California, you can find this stuff. I don't know if you can grow it. Bird of paradise. And look at this. Just a nice leisurely walkthrough in Home Depot just to kind of see what they've got. Let me go down this side. They're getting in fruit trees. Down there are fruit trees. You know what I find interesting? The bees won't go to the flowers. Look at that. I don't understand that unless they know they're sprayed, but they land next to them, but they won't go into the flower. That's why he tried to get on me before. They're not going on to the, not one flower will he go on to. And I look at nature when it does that. Sometimes when nature doesn't want it, you know, Mother Nature's creatures, such as a bee, you gotta be careful because a lot of this stuff, you know, could be treated with something, and he would not go on to any of them. Here, let's see. More flowers up. Look at this variegated elephant food. I wonder how much. Let's take a look and see how much it is. I don't think I have. We don't have that. I had a piece years ago. I don't even see a price. Well, I don't see a price. But that is variegated elephant food. It grows slower than the regular elephant food. Yeah, let's look over here. Shady plants. Look, we have shady plants. Shady plants. So that is something that would probably do quite well. A lot of your camellias. Aren't they gorgeous? They don't even look real. Got to be careful on some of those if you have dogs and they have a habit of chewing on plants. Some of the plants, azaleas, certain camellias, they can be not good for your dogs to chew on. Okay? Look at that. No, the hummingbirds will feed around geraniums. There's not nectar in there. They might be finding a whole lot of insects around there. Now these flowers here, the bees are going into. And the other ones they wouldn't touch. So these must be safe for them. And that's something, but the other flowers down there, they wouldn't go into at all. And these they will. So these must not have anything on them. These are just Iceland poppies. So I hope you enjoyed yourself with me as we looked around. I'll come back in the spring or another day. I'm here for other things. So with that, have a wonderful day. And don't forget to eat what you grow. So this is what I came to Home Depot for, and I got it. We'll get more into that another time. And yep, Kitty didn't get to go, but you know what? Maybe one of these days. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day, and don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye.